So today I'm going to show you my top 5 squishiest, softest, and the hardest. So I'm just going to start with the squishiest. Just adjusting it a bit for a while. Okay, so my softest is this milk chocolate. It's like super duper squishy, even though like it's like kind of thin. Like it's like very slow rising. This is the real one, by the way. And there's like cracks all over it because I squish it like almost every day. And there's like a stretchy strap and I really like it. So this is my top one. Next I have this Hello Kitty HK donut. Hello Kitty donut. This is the jumbo one. And this is the real one, by the way. So you see, it's also slow rising. There. So this is the second one. The third one is my jumbo panda bun. Just zoom it out a bit. Like, look, just look at it. Like, it's super duper soft and there's like stains, which I really hate it, and I didn't know where it came from. Next soft squishiest, is my paw. Not really mine, but yeah. So you see, it's super thin and like it's slow rising, and like there's defects. As you can see, it's like peeling off and it's cracked. So this is the fourth one. The fifth squishiest is my croissant. When I got it, it's like kind of squishy, but now it's like not that squishy. And that's like scent, and which is very good. So yeah, these are my top 5 squishiest squishy. So there it goes. Next is my top 5 hardest squishy. So firstly, just give me a moment. This is my harder squishy, but it's not like really hard, like rock hard. It's just hard. It's like a stress ball. I still keep it as it's really cute and it's really cheap, and I don't see people having this, which is the fake one. So yeah, there's like plenty of air bubbles. Back. And here. So this is the hardest so far. Second hardest is my smallest. Is this cat face. And like there's ribs. Like here. Very big ribs. Yeah, this is like the second hardest. The third hardest is my homemade one, is this domo. It's actually not that hard. It's actually because of the fillings here, because it's made of like felt, somehow called paper. That's what make it harder. So this is my tag. So yeah, the third hardest. The fourth hardest is my also homemade one. This donut. It's made of a stress ball, that's why it's hard. So there. There's cupcakes. Okay. And the last hardest is my gee, I don't really have a fifth hardest. So yeah. That is the fourth hardest. Top 4 hardest squishy. Okay, now lastly I'm gonna do the softest one. So firstly, I'm gonna start with this HK macaron. It's like super duper soft, and this is the fake one, by the way. Cracks all over, and manufacturing air bubbles. It's like so soft. I don't need like too much strength to like squish it. So yeah, this is the first softest. The second softest is this minion toast. It's really soft as it's very thin, but it's not that like squishy, you know. It's just really soft and really cute. Okay. Next is this. This is quite soft for like a mirror. Okay, I'm so sorry you guys can't see it. So it's like quite soft for a mirror squishy. So there. It's like a happy burger, football chain attached. So yeah, that's the top 3. Next Squishies is my homemade one. This is all made of sponge, that's why it's kind of soft. And it actually cracks. And I really like to crack it. It's like super duper soft. And this is the tag. Okay, there's a fourth. And the last softest one is this, I'm so sorry, I'm just gonna do that. So is this. It's like really soft and I really like it. It's like mustache there. And there's not much defects. And it's like licensed. This is the tag. One of the blog shop has this Nameko one and it's like really defected. I don't really know what happened to it. Like, why is it so defected? Like, it's not that squishy though, so I don't find why it's so infected. So there. Oh no. Okay, so sorry. So yeah, that's all about it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.